What if the smartest luxury SUV isn't the fastest, but the one you barely have to think about? The Volvo XC90 2026 doesn't try to dominate headlines. It doesn't chase extreme performance or futuristic hype. Instead, it focuses on something most modern vehicles quietly ignore, making everyday driving simpler, safer, and more predictable. And in a market filled with complexity, that approach might matter more than ever. On paper, the XC90 is solid but not extreme. A 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, hybrid options, and up to 455 horsepower in the plug-in version. It hits 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds, quick, but not aggressive. And that's intentional. This SUV isn't designed to impress you for 5 minutes. It's designed to feel right after 5 years. Now look at how it handles efficiency. With around 30 to 40 miles of electric range, most daily commutes can be done without using fuel at all. But unlike a full EV, you still have a gas engine when you need it. No planning routes, no charging anxiety. It's a flexible system, and that flexibility is where the real value is hiding. Step inside, and the philosophy becomes even clearer. The interior is minimal, clean, almost quiet in its design. A vertical touchscreen powered by Google handles most functions, but it doesn't overwhelm you with layers of complexity. And that's a subtle advantage. Because while some systems try to impress immediately, this one is built to be understood quickly and used effortlessly over time. Now let's address the price. Around $85,000 at the higher end. At that level, buyers usually expect something dramatic, but the XC90 takes a different route. Instead of standing out through speed or flash, it stands out through consistency. And then there's safety, arguably its strongest position. Volvo has built its reputation around it, and this SUV continues that focus with advanced driver assistance and a strong crash safety record. For many buyers, that alone outweighs everything else. So here's something worth thinking about. Would you rather drive something that constantly tries to impress you, or something that quietly makes every drive easier without demanding attention? Because those are two very different experiences, and most people don't realize which one they actually need. If you like breaking down tech in a way that actually helps decision-making, you can stick around for more. The Volvo XC90 2026 isn't built to wow you instantly. It's built to quietly become the right choice over time. And that might be exactly why it still works.